Good morning. Welcome to the first episode of our series on small steps to a better you. When we take these small steps one at a time, we can definitely become a better version of ourselves. Let me ask you a simple question. When was the last time you spent 30 peaceful minutes without picking up your phone? Very often we just mindlessly pick up our phone, maybe to look at some message, then some notification pops up, and then a video, and quietly we find that 30 minutes have disappeared without our even realizing this. What if we were to get back those 30 minutes all to ourselves? What could we do? Maybe we could just go for a walk. You could have a cup of coffee without any distractions. You could spend 30 precious minutes with your family. You could read a book or just do whatever you like and be very happy. You can otherwise just sit still quietly and simply enjoy the silence. Remember, these 30 minutes belong to you. This does not mean that we should go away from technology. All that I am recommending is that we should be mindful of the time we are spending on needlessly scrolling through our phones. So today I invite you to just keep your phones aside for 30 minutes and spend that time in a more valuable manner. You might realize that peace is not from outside, or it's not peace that you can never have. It was just hiding behind the screen possibly. So if you are willing to take up this challenge over the next number of Sundays, then we will see how to become a better version of ourselves. If you have been able to do this, please go down to the comment section and say episode 1 done. And then we'll begin our journey together with many more such small steps. Remember, any major change doesn't happen overnight. It's not happening in just one day also. It takes one small step at a time. So we'll meet again the coming Sunday. Till then, take care of yourselves and have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to GitasKitchen and we'll meet again with our next episode on our Morning Bytes. Thank you.